Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Igama Asanda Wagantine. I hope you all doing well. So today I'm taking you along with me to Oribi Gorge. We are going back again to the Hoopoe Falls and it was a lot of fun. So I took a bit of clips. I need to be better at vlogging and take longer videos, but it's little clips that I hope you guys will enjoy. I'll see you on the next video. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive.
I'm forcing you to do one more thing. I'm forcing you once again to do everything that I like.
Hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans,
That's fun,
holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of it. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. Keep this love so bright. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul.